to YouTube. It's our cosmology segment. Let's get to it promptly. Twitch.tv/smAsho is where this video was originally live streamed. We're also on YouTube, and by the way, we'll be doing a YouTube live stream this afternoon and every Wednesday afternoon at 2 p.m. So that's going to be a new format, folks. Live streams, youtube.com/smAsho. Live streams every Wednesday from 2 to 3 or 3:30. So make sure you tune in for that. We'll be talking about all kinds of stuff. The poll is completed on our Twitter page. Make sure you follow us on Twitter if you haven't, twitter.com/smAsho. And folks voted it was a pretty close race here between who's more important, Vladimir Putin or Joe Rogan. And thanks everybody who voted in that. We'll talk about what my response would have been at a later time. We don't want to get too in-depth into it in the cosmology segment. Also, don't forget to check out smashomash.com/forum/mission, smashomash.com/forum/mission. If you want to read about our mission, I'll let it scroll real quick here. Feel free to pause the video. It's the beauty of video on demand. We'll be here when you get back. Have a read about our mission if you're not yet aware. Also, welcome to the Neo Renaissance. Visit our own website. Click on smAsho merch to find our Redbubble shop. Again, everything discounted there. Throughout the month of June, we decided to take a hit on our own cut to provide discounts for you, the viewer. Again, you can link to that from the smAsho merch link right on our homepage, smashomash.org. We'll redirect you here. You can also find our social media there. Let us know in the comments what your favorite social media is. Today's cosmology segment should be interesting, starting out with the NASA picture of the day. A great imagery of the Milky Way galaxy, as well as a super blood flower moon eclipse and a nice atmospheric halo around that. Great view of that. This imagery from Helmut Ader. And you can find NASA's astronomy picture of the day at apod.nasa.gov. We're counting down to the longest day of the year, the June solstice. We'll be streaming live for that as well at 11:32 and 9 seconds. That's 11:32 p.m. on June 20th. The moment of the solstice. We want to be the first channel to wish you a happy summer or a happy winter, depending on which side of the planet you're located on. And welcome to the brightest 22 days of the year if you're in the northern hemisphere, or if in the south, the darkest 22 days of the year. Let's pick a random number. Actually, I've already done so. It's number 354, which is a BL Lacertae object, a type of radio loud active galactic nucleus. Here is that BL Lacertae galaxy in infrared light. Next, we're going to show you optical. Here it is on the Pan-STARRS, a very high-resolution view of this radio-loud galaxy. And last but not least, we'll show it in UV. There it is on the Galix. And this galaxy is known as MS1050.7 plus 4946. Again, that's number 354 at the Neil Gorell Swift-Bat X-ray Observatory. Here are the X-ray transient bursts from it, historically over the past 16 years and the past 30 days. Again, it's number 354. MS1050.7 plus 4946, the BL Lacertae object right here. Next, let's talk about stars being born. We've never seen it happen, although there are a lot of assumptions made about the environment in which stars do form. So here's an article on phys.org about it, showing you the different, quote, star-forming regions, end quote, in all of these galaxies. And you can see how differently they are shaped. All of these different features, such as this one here, where you've got this central area and this ring feature. This one here that has multiple spiral arms. These that only have 2 spiral arms. So an interesting article here, which is refuting some aspects of star formation theories. Cosmic cartographers map nearby universe revealing the diversity of star-forming galaxies. Anyway, the point of the paper is that the galactic neighborhood seems to represent similarities in how stars are formed. In other words, stars seem to form similarly in similar galaxies. So despite different structures in similarly located galaxies, for some reason, the, quote, star forming and, quote, regions in galaxies seems to be somehow geographically distributed, where if one galaxy is high in, quote, star forming regions and, quote, the neighboring galaxy is more likely as well to be rich in star forming molecular clouds. Perhaps have a read on this one. It's from the phys.org Astronomy and Space section. And last but not least, check out this beauty. It's a composite image, and it is of NGC 6302. So from the new general catalog, entry number 6302, you're looking at the near ultraviolet and near infrared composite imagery of this planetary nebula. There does appear to be a star in the center of that bubble that you can see. It's also known as the Bug Nebula or the Butterfly Nebula. And this one's particularly interesting because of the differences between the polar structure and the toroid structure. So you can see here in the middle, you can see these structures and the angular aspects of how this is all shaped is quite interesting. I mean, you've got probably a high precessional wobble going on with the central star in there, if I had to guess, which I don't. But in any case, that's NGC 6302, located in the constellation Scorpius. The Bug or Butterfly Nebula has got some interesting features going on. Perhaps have a read of this article. Astronomers probe planetary nebula, NGC 6302, with the Hubble, and that's today's Cosmology segment. Thanks for tuning in. I've been your host, Dan, a.k.a. smAsho Mash. Don't forget to press like and subscribe if you enjoy the content, and we'll see you at the next Cosmology segment.